Hey, today I've got something for your feet that's a game changer. The Crocs Classic Clogs. Stick around and let me tell you why they're not just shoes. They're an experience.
Crafted from 100% synthetic fabric with an ethylene vinyl acetate sole, these clogs are the perfect blend of comfort and style. First things first, comfort. These are not your average shoes. They're like walking on clouds. And the best part?
Cleaning them is a breeze. Just a little soap and water and they're good as new. Lightweight and fun, these clogs are not just for looks. Iconic Crocs comfort, ventilation ports for breathability, and they shed water and debris like a boss. Worried about the size?
Don't be. They offer a roomy fit. Order a size down to the next largest whole size and you're golden. Putting them on and taking them off is a breeze. And those pivoting heel straps?
They give you that extra secure fit, perfect for any adventure. Durable, versatile, and stylish, these clogs can handle it all. From a casual day out to a spontaneous adventure, they've got your back.
And here's the kicker. Shop with confidence. Backed by a 90-day manufacturer's warranty, these Crocs are the real deal. Terms and conditions apply, of course. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your comfort game, check out the Crocs Classic Clogs. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep walking in comfort, my friends.